Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Nadine West, which is a monthly clothing subscription. It's kind of interesting because it looks like the bag was opened and then it was taped back together. I'm assuming the company did that. It's even stuck on here. But what I thought was funny is there is a resealable seal in here that they could have used and they didn't, which is kind of weird. But anyways, that's what you're supposed to do if you don't want some of the items in here. You can put it back in that bag. They give you a label and you just send it all back and it seals. So let's see what I got. I should have 2 tops, 2 bottoms, and a dress. This must be the dress. It's a different brand than I normally get. That's cool. I like the fabric. It's really soft and I like the design. It's sleeveless and it kind of flares out. That would be cute with leggings. I'll post a picture of that at the end, per usual, and I will list the prices as well. This is a long sleeve top by Sheila Rose. I like the color. Fades into blue. Very nice. And then some leggings and the jewelry, I think, is tucked in there as well. These are cute little joggers. I like the print on that as well. There's the white going through black. These are super, super soft. They're tapered like that. I'm gonna love those, I know. I'll show the necklace real quick. Ooh, it's all tangled. So I was able to untangle that, so it's adjustable. It's gold. And it has this really cool, looks like a sun or like a flower. I think it's neat. It's sparkly. Very cool. And then the last bundle should have a top and a bottom in here. These are interesting. It's almost kind of like dress pants, I guess. Pockets. It's almost like a silky material. Chevron design on it. And then for the top, this is by Sheila Rose. This is very long. It's just all black. Short sleeve. And you can wear that with leggings too. Let's see, does that have pockets? No. Looks about as long as the other item that came that's a dress, but this one's supposed to be a top. Very cool. So I will list all of the items here and the prices at the end so you can check them out, and I'll put all the information in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.